It is estimated that building foundation problems cost between $12 and $15 billion annually in insurance claims in the United States. Over the last 10 years, Plymouth Foam has been studying why these foundation issues occur and what could be done to curtail the problem. The majority of the causes are one of the following 5: backfill pressure, hydrostatic pressure, frost heave, lateral soil pressure, and finally insulation that's too stiff. What if we had a technology that could help with these issues? We have it, Plymouth Foam's new patent-pending SAV+R foundation. Years of research in the lab and field testing have helped us engineer and design a product that will help fight against foundation fatigue using RID technology. RID technology: reduce, insulate, and drain. RID technology works by reducing lateral pressure, insulating the foundation, and draining moisture away from the foundation. The first element of RID technology is reducing lateral pressure. This reduction is done with the use of integrated stress reducers. The stress reducing system acts like a slow motion shock absorber. As pressure is exerted on a wall, the stress reducers absorb and lower the lateral pressure. SAV+R can reduce lateral pressure by up to 40%, depending on the conditions. The second element of SAV+R is providing stable thermal protection using engineered EPS, which does not off-gas like other insulations. Our 5, 10, and R15 products are available depending on your project needs. The third element of RID technology is the built-in easy flow drainage pathways. These pathways help manage moisture to quickly flow to the footing drainage system. The easy flow drainage pathways can help reduce hydrostatic pressure and assist in keeping wall waterproofing drier, extending its life. Research has discovered that the common construction assembly of XPS insulation 150 or 250 on foundation walls is too stiff. Lateral loads transfer right to the foundation wall. Adding XPS insulation to the wall also changes the dynamics of the foundation system by moving the frost border closer to the foundation and increasing frost pressure. Let's not forget, research has also shown XPS losing a significant amount of R value below grade. Replacing XPS with SAV+R incorporating RID technology will help eliminate the issues with traditional XPS insulation. SAV+R is easy to install, and SAV+R can even reduce foundation liabilities for the contractor. For all your foundations, SAV+R by Plymouth Foam. If you have questions or need more information on any of our building products, go to our website at goplymouthfoam.com.